Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a side lunge and side squat. So first, side lunge, let's start with feet together. Your chest is up, back straight, tummy's in, core engaged. You're going to take a big step to the left, toes to the front. So feet should be wider than your hip width apart. And then you're going to slightly lean towards your left, bending your left knee. Your right leg should be straight. Hips are pushed back. So you should feel the weight in your left heel. So make sure your feet are in a line with each other. Your chest is up, shoulders are down, and your head is up. And then come back to center. Same thing to the right. Step out, check your feet position, toes to the front, feet in a line with each other, hips are back, and then come back to center. So you're gonna work that inner thigh. Feel the burn. Now, for side squat, same starting position, big step. This time, you're bending both knees. And then up. Come back to center. Same feet position, toes to the front. Feet should be a little wider than your hip width apart. Good. Make sure your knees are behind your toes. Once again, side lunge, side squat, side lunge. Your knees should be behind your toes. Good. Side squat, big step. Bending both legs. Good, right here. Chest is up and head up. So I would suggest starting with, if you're a beginner, starting with no weights, about to 12 to 15 repetitions. And then as you go on, you can start adding some weights to it. So that's it for today's side lunge and side squat. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.